Welcome to the Data Analytics tutorial series, where we will explore everything from basic concepts to advanced techniques. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, this series will give you the tools and knowledge you need to succeed in the field of data analytics. In today's video, we'll cover the fundamentals. What is data analytics and why is it so important? We will be looking at these concepts in this video tutorial. Data analytics turns raw data into valuable insights. Whether it's sales data, customer behavior, or website traffic, the ability to understand and analyze data is critical in today's data-driven world. Data analytics is the process of examining data sets to draw conclusions about the information they contain. This can include extracting insights, finding trends, or discovering hidden patterns in data. Organizations rely on data analytics to make data-driven decisions that improve efficiency, reduce costs, and gain a competitive edge. There are four main types of data analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. Descriptive analytics answers the question, what happened? It summarizes raw data to give insight into the past. Diagnostic analytics dives deeper to explain why did it happen. It helps discover reasons and causes. Predictive analytics answers the question, what will happen, using data to predict future outcomes. Prescriptive analytics tells us, what should we do, by recommending actions to achieve desired outcomes. You might be surprised to know that data analytics is used in everyday life. It's not just for businesses. In retail, data analytics helps stores understand buying patterns and recommend products you might like. In healthcare, data analytics predicts patient outcomes, helping doctors offer better treatments. In sports, teams analyze player performance data to strategize for games and improve training. In marketing, data is used to optimize advertising campaigns, focusing on the audiences that matter most. It's easy to confuse terms like data analytics, data science, and business intelligence. Let's break them down. Data analytics focuses on analyzing historical data to provide actionable insights. Data science is more complex. It uses machine learning, algorithms, and programming to forecast future events or trends. Business intelligence focuses on turning raw data into dashboards and reports, helping businesses make informed decisions. To succeed in data analytics, you'll need a mix of technical skills and tools. Here's a quick overview. Excel is a powerful tool for basic data analysis and reporting. SQL is essential for working with databases, allowing you to extract and manipulate data. Python and R programming languages used for advanced analysis, data manipulation, and machine learning. Data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI help you turn raw data into visual insights. If you're thinking about a career in data analytics, there are plenty of options. Let's look at a few. A data analyst examines data to help organizations make data-driven decisions. Data scientists go a step further by creating predictive models and working with complex algorithms. A business analyst uses data to help guide business strategies and improve efficiency. Data engineers build the systems that store and process data, ensuring that analysts and scientists can work efficiently. That's all for today's introduction to data analytics. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into understanding different types of data and why they matter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.